Right, in this video we're going to attempt to show you how to find the probability of a not event happening, given that you know the probability that the event does happen. So it says, in a box of 60 coloured sweets, 16 are yellow. What is the probability that I select a non-yellow sweet? Let's just have a look at this more formally. In the previous video, we established that the probability of A is the number in set A divided by the number in the set of the universal set. So this is set A, okay, and this is the universal set. So in my little problem, the number in here is 16, and the number here is going to be 60. Now this is considered to be a subset of the universal set, and therefore the number in A will be between 0 or the number in the universal set, which is 60 in this particular example. It can be equal to in any of those as well, so it's like somewhere between them. If we divide each of these by the number in the universal set, so just write that again, so we're going to do 0 divided by the number in the universal set, the number in A divided by the number in the universal set, and the number in the universal set divided by the number in the universal set. Well, 0 divided by anything is 0. The number in A divided by the number in the universal set is defined as the probability of A, and the number in the universal set divided by the number in the universal set is defined as 1. So what I've shown you here is that all probabilities are between 0 and 1. Now the 0 is the event that a possible event is an impossible event. So an example of that would be, I got a black set of cards, what's the probability, and I ask the question, what's the probability that I choose a red one? That's not possible, so it's 0 out of 26 because there are 26 black cards. And this one is called probability of a certain event. So let's take the pack of cards again. If I had a set of red cards and I asked the question, what's the probability of getting a red card? The answer would be 26 out of 26, which is 1. Alright, so all probabilities are 0 and 1. If you get a probability outside of that range, then it is a big clue for you to actually look at your working and see if you've made a mistake. Right, so that's one rule. Another rule is this: if we got this here as A, the green shaded bit, the blue shaded bit, or the light blue shaded bit, is considered to be the complement of the set A, or not A. Okay, so what we're going to do here is look at the complement of a set of event A, and A with a little dash denotes the event that does not occur. Alright, and that's represented by the blue shaded region here on the Venn diagram. And so the number in not A is the number in the universal set minus the number in the actual set A. So that if we divide everything by the number in A like we did up here, then we're going to have the number in the universal set like we have up here. If we divide this by the number in the universal set, then we're going to have the number in the universal set divided by the number in the universal set, which is 1. And then we're going to have the number in A divided by the number in the universal set. Okay, this is defined as the probability of A. Alright, so what I've proved to you here is the probability that A does not happen is always going to be 1 minus the probability A does happen. Alright, so this is a very, very important formula in probability. So if we go back to our problem, in a box of 60 colour sweets, 16 are yellow. What is the probability that I select a non-yellow sweet? Let y be the yellow sweets. We're sort of formalising this. So the number in y is equal to 16. And the probability of y is the number of y divided by the number in the universal set, which is 16 out of 60. The number in the universal set is 60, which is 4 out of 15. So using the probability of y not happening is 1 minus the probability of y is going to be the probability of not y is equal to 1 minus 4/15, which is equal to 11/15. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the probability of an event not happening, proving a couple of probability rules along the way. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.